Good morning, Rowlett Owls. Today is Friday 17th.
Welcome to Lighthouse Live from my house.
My name is Chloe.
And my name is Lisa. Now please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring.
Now it's time to do a short interview with my friend Chloe. What grade are you in?
4th.
And who are your teachers?
Miss Gerson and Mrs. Roberts.
Are they great teachers?
Yes.
Okay, you heard it there. She goes to our school, Rowlett Academy. And now let's have a small interview with my dog, Pepsi. So guys, this is my doggy Pepsi. And she is adorable, and she got her name because my mom's friend, since my dad didn't really like dogs that much, and he loved Pepsi, they thought of naming her Pepsi because when he would come in from work, he would always say, "Donde está mi Pepsi?" which means, "Where's my Pepsi drink?" And then we thought maybe if he'd say that, maybe the dog would come running, and maybe he'd start to like the dog. And now he loves you, doesn't he? Okay, so that's it.
Now let's send it over to Dr. Bradley and Mrs. Choate.
To you, Dr. Bradley and Miss Choate.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday to you. And not just any Friday, it's Aloha Friday. So I'm wearing my Aloha shirt and my lei. Mrs. Choate, where's your Aloha wear?
I'm lacking in Aloha wear, but you look great.
Thank you. I'll have to loan you some stuff. So boys and girls, you got something kind of Hawaii-ish or Aloha-ish, put it on there. Send us a shaka picture out there. We'd love to see it. And then Monday, Disney Day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that means you get to wear your mouse ears or dress up like your favorite Disney character. That would be super, super cool. And you know what? Maybe in your house, build an amusement park. I'm sure your parents would love that. Make it a Disney Day on Monday, okay? And I know you're gonna have an amazing weekend.
That'll be fun.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we had a student send in a video of themselves being active on Workout Wednesday.
Who is it?
Yeah, so it's Bo in Mrs. Moorhead's 3rd grade class, and he's showing off his football throwing skills.
Awesome. Maybe you can help me out, Bo. I seem to throw ducks. That's what they call them when I throw a football.
Oh, well, let's take a look at Bo throwing his football.
All right, let's see.
Wow, that was awesome, Bo.
Oh my goodness, great skills. You are going to give me some lessons when we get back to school, Bo. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and students, we love to see pictures or videos of you celebrating the Spirit Days with us, so send them to us at lighthouselive@rowlettacademy.org.
And something else, guys, that just came to mind, birthdays. You know, when you're at school in the classroom, you guys celebrate birthdays with your teachers, and everybody knows it's super special, but now that we're not in school in the classroom, it's kind of hard to do that. So this is what we're going to do. On Mondays, we're going to start a new tradition while we're doing our at-home learning. On the morning news, we'll announce students who are having birthdays that week. We know when you're at school, you get to celebrate in your classrooms, but this way, you'll get to celebrate when you're learning from home.
It's going to be great. And hey, you know how we got that idea?
No.
Well, a mom wrote us into Lighthouse Live and told us that today was her daughter's birthday.
Wow.
Yeah. And do you know whose birthday it is?
I kind of know, but go ahead and tell everybody out there in TV land.
All right. It's Kamaya's birthday in Mrs. Spurgo's class.
Happy birthday
to Kamaya. And so starting on Monday, we're going to start the announcements now, all because of Kamaya's mom making that suggestion.
That's awesome. So boys and girls, when you get on your classroom Zooms with your teachers and with your friends, make sure you remind everybody to check out the news so they can hear about whose birthday's coming up.
Yep. And moms, you don't have to write to us because we
Nope.
know we have a list and we'll make it happen.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, happy Aloha Friday. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Miss Choate, you have a great weekend.
You too.
All right. Try to get outside, guys. The weather should be good. We will see you on Monday. Bye.
Bye.
Chloe, do you want a yummy treat?
Yes.
Okay, because today we're making
Cake pops!
Well, come on, let's follow Chloe to the kitchen. So for this, we will need 24 Oreos and
4 ounces of cream cheese, 5 ounces of melted chocolate of your choice, but we are using white chocolate and sprinkles.
and here are our 24 cookies.
Now we have to put the cookies in the food processor.
Voila! So beautiful. Okay, now we will be needing the cream cheese.
Now we need to mix.
Make sure to wash your hands. And now you have to make little balls. And there might be some pieces of Oreo still in it. For example, this one, I just felt a little Oreo in it. That's okay.
There's no more.
So they're done.
Now we're gonna stick the sticks into them.
Wait, did I go through it? No.
So you want to put them in halfway.
I think these two went all the way to the bottom on accident. Okay, so now we are going to grab them and simply just dip them inside. Okay, sorry. First time doing this, you know. Just saw this as a trend.
Them to kill.
And then you can add sprinkles to them. And then that's it. Bye!
I'm a Power Rala Allen uniform I'm dressed. I pledge to follow Rala rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others and their properties. I'll say goals, but first things first and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. All right.